actually Shay, and welcome back to my channel. This is going to be a new knotless box braid tutorial video. Okay, if you have not seen my previous knotless tutorial video, I would go check that video out. But if you are trying to do small, long knotless like mine, just continue watching this video. I use this Freetress. I didn't know they made braiding hair. This is Freetress Clear Therapy pre-rinsed and cleansed and vinegar wash hair. So it's like 52 inches long, and it's pre-stretched hair. So in my last knotless video, I had to stretch my hair and separate it and all that other stuff. This literally kills time. Cut all that time out by just buying pre-stretched hair. Once the video is over, if you find this video helpful and you think I did a good job, go ahead and hit that like button. If you have any suggestions, any questions, anything like that, comment down below. And also, if you are new to this channel, please hit that subscribe button. That will help my channel very greatly. So you want to separate the hair how you feel most comfortable, what size you want your braids to be. I want my braids to be small, so I'm separating them in a way that I can split the hair up evenly, so that way I can add the hair to my head gradually. You want to put each strand on the pegs. To add more hair, you want to apply rubber bands, so that way you can do more than one row. So for each peg, I did 3 rows of hair. So as you can see, I'm adding the rubber bands in a form of 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4. Basically, they're going to cover each one, so that way the hair doesn't slip or interfere with the hair in the second row. I'm going to show you how I did them in the back. I obviously did a bunch of them back here, but basically you're going to braid down. You're going to add in a small piece of hair, braid down once, add another piece of hair, and keep braiding down until your hair ends. The reason for this is because they're smaller braids and you don't want to make them bulky. So you want to braid all the way down to almost where your hair stops, and then you're going to add another smaller piece of hair. Now I'm going to show you guys how I did the front where I lost my edges basically. It was hard to kind of get the first time, so this is just going to be the failed part of it, what I did wrong, and then I'm going to show you guys me eventually getting it. But I had to do smaller pieces and also start the hair right away. So instead of braiding down once or twice, I literally had to add the hair right in the beginning in order for it to look neat and perfect and not pull on my hair. the technique with smaller knotless, you want to start with 2 small strands first, braid down to almost where your hair stops, and then you're going to add 2 more smaller strands of hair just to keep it small and also to give you that length that you want. So just if you want your hair to be like super long, you want to just keep adding the hair in, but gradually add it. Like you have to feel your way through it to see to make sure that the size doesn't change. Like you want it all to be one size going down.